Hey guys, I have noticed some users on any social media sites using a lot of bad words, and unfortunately this actually happens to teens and adults as well. And sometimes when a kid is under the age of 13, they tend to log in, and unfortunately some of them fall into their traps. Like, some people start following them. And guys, just remember this, please. Always check your profile. Is it necessary? Is it good? Is it okay? And guys, to keep everyone safe from any of these spam bots or any of the inappropriate web bots, please don't click on one of them, because I've noticed I clicked some of them and I didn't go in there, but I just saw something inappropriate. It wasn't very comfortable for me, so I had to report it. And guys, if you see one of those like requests here and these guys just join you to inappropriate chat group on any kind of websites, please ignore them, or you can delete them. This is what I would like to do, especially for those who have the privilege of making an Instagram account. Plus, Instagram is not safe for children under the age of 13. I've noticed some people, like some of my classmates, doing that. However, there are actually one student who is under the age of 13, and that is a 6th grade student from the previous school. I don't want to mention her name, but I'll just like leave it as it is. And guys, just a reminder, if you are under the age of 13, or if you're born in these years, please ask an adult to help you, and please put your account to private as well if you want. And apparently with this, we've been going through like so many bots and accounts, but I'm gonna show you like one account which had gotten to me, which is the fake and spam account. If you click on that account, it will have like free Instagram followers, but this guy was actually going a little insane. He actually stole my post and reposted it. And guys, I need to remind you this, please don't steal one of my posts without my permission as well, because I don't like people stealing my posts. It goes for the same person. If you want, you need to ask the person to do something you want. Don't try to steal it. Trying to steal it is wrong. It is considered stealing, and some people don't like it. So apparently guys, this is a strong strict lesson for you guys to learn. Hope you enjoy this.